How's it going, everybody? My name's Dalton, and welcome back to Garage 89. So, I got something for you guys. You know how, like, you sell a toy, and then you just can't help but have another toy or, like, another project, or just, like, yeah, I bought a dirt bike. It's nothing crazy. It's a 125. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I paid 3 digits for it, which in this market's pretty crazy. I'm just jumping right into it, guys. We got a dirt bike. I haven't even cleaned it yet. I got it home last night. Kind of put it away. So, let's get into it. Okay, so let me just start by saying, yes, this isn't the biggest bike in the world, but at the same time, I don't need the fastest bike in the world. I just want something to putz around with, something I can take up north. I can just tool around here. You know, you can take it to the track, whatever. It's a pit bike. It's something I'm not going to kill myself on. I've already got a card for that. This thing's very fast. This thing doesn't need to be that fast. It's just nimble and fun. So it's a 2005 Suzuki DRZ-125 4-stroke. It actually runs pretty good. Got it locally pretty close for a decent price. It could definitely use some TLC, which if you guys know anything, this is my favorite part of getting a new toy because I get to clean it up and make it look all nice. We are going to go ahead and give it its first proper bath and go from there. We'll see what it kind of needs, what I can put on the list of things to purchase for it. We'll see if it was a good deal or not. All right, first and foremost, there's no point in having stickers if you can't even have the whole sticker. So I'm gonna de-sticker some of these words and letters. I think this is actually for the power sports place that this was originally bought from. So we're gonna go ahead and remove those. Yeah, I mean, she's cleaning up pretty well, actually. All right, first things first, this bolt was way too big that was in this fender right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace that with a proper size bolt. I need to detail it a little more outside of the obvious things that I need. So this thing actually is mechanically sound. It just needs a few things, such as a rear brake line. It just needs the linkage from here to the actual brake. The brake works, it has good brakes, or the foot pedal works. It does need a rear peg, as you can see. There's a peg on the left and a bolt on the right. Yes, the bolt is better than nothing, but it needs a peg. The seat is an obvious one, and it needs a seat. It needs the bar pad right here. And there's normally a plastic piece where your number plate would go. So it needs that as well. Just a lot of small things, nothing too expensive. And it looks like the rear fender is broken on the left side just a little bit. So I might replace that eventually. The only major thing, if you can see, the tire is cocked this way, which is an easy fix. It's just these 2 bolts in the very back. I'm gonna replace this, fix that. And wow, there is some massive dry rot on these tires. Holy cow. I guess I need tires, at least a back tire. Wow, okay. We got the rear tire straightened out. I think the tire might be going flat because of the dry rotting stuff. I don't know if you can see it. Got the rear tire straightened out though. We got the brake line adjusted a little more. I cleaned out the air filter. It does need an air filter as well. Needs a lot of stuff. Most important thing though is gonna be the air filter and the tires. So we're gonna go ahead and order those things tonight. And hopefully we can have them pretty soon so we can have some more fun with this thing. But guys, I hope you enjoy the new addition to the family because probably gonna be here to stay, at least for a while. They're not worth a ton of money. And it's just a fun little bike to toy around with. You know, it's just going around town or going around the block or going up north or whatever. It's not necessarily slow, it's just not the fastest thing in the world. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, turn the notifications on because I'm gonna start uploading more often. Hopefully you've already seen the return of the vlogs in previous videos. But on that note, peace out and keep turning those gears.